on the complaint of one Shri Mevilton, Mevilton Theodore, who's 32 years old. He's a resident of Gumalwado, Anjuna. We've registered an offence against against one Bruno D'Souza. और इसके अंदर on the basis of this complaint, two persons were arrested last evening. The arrested persons are one Mr. Digambar Salkar. He is 54 years old and he is a resident of Duler Mapsa. The other person arrested is Akhil Tekekar. He is 33 years old. He is a resident of Kuchilim Mapsa. जो दिगंबर सालकर हैं इन द इनिशियल इंटरोगेशन ही इज़ रिवील्ड दैट ही वाज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ मिस्टर ब्रूनो और जो उसमें हु इज़ अराउंड 92 years old and he Bruno had contacted him to help him resolve a existing property dispute. This property dispute which they have is with one person who we've identified as Mevilton Theodore and his father. इसमें जो फादर हैं उनको इंजरीज आई हैं और मेविल्टन को भी इंजरीज आई हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इंजरी दे आर प्रेजेंटली अंडरगोइंग ट्रीटमेंट एट जीएमसी. उसके बाद उनको मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल में शिफ्ट किया गया है. वी हैव ऑल्सो रिसीव्ड अ क्रॉस कंप्लेंट that from Mr. Bruno, on the basis of which a cross FIR has also been registered. उसके अंदर भी investigation is currently underway.